Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive ideas of haircut. And many much more collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut. And very beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. And so beautiful collection of burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. And some ideas: highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Very beautiful overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.